Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video we are going to explain you regarding the topic design registration. First of all, we'll tell you what is our design registration, what are the certain conditions that our design must satisfy to get registered. We'll also talk about the document procedure, and at last we'll cover the whole registration procedure in future if you are planning to get your design registered. So let's begin the video. Design registration. Design registration is an intellectual property protection. Design registration is basically done to protect the certain design. It can be shape, feature, ornament, color, combination, or the color of the line that is used in the article under the Design Act 2000. So basically, design registration is done to promote the creativity and the protection. Validity. The design registration gives the authority to the owner to use the particular design for the period of 10 years, which can be extended for the period of 5 years or more. And next, what I am going to tell is very important thing, because the design incorporating the official symbol, emblem, map, building, or the stamp that cannot be registered under the Design Act 2000. Our design must satisfy the following condition in order to be registered. So there are certain conditions that a design must satisfy to get itself registered. First of all, the first condition is that a design must be new and original. It should be visible. It should not be published in any other country. It should not contrary the public morality. And at last, a design should relate, means it should match up with the features, with the line, with the shape, with the combination that is provided in the article. Documents required for design registration. So now let's quickly go through the document part. Also means what kind of documents that will be required if you are going for the design registration, which are as follows. For the document part, you will be needing a certified copy of the original or the certified copies of the extract from disclaimers, affidavit, declaration, and other public documents can be made available on payment of a fees. Make sure to keep the affidavit in paragraph form, and it should consist of the declaration of truth and verifiability as per the 4th schedule. Controller regulate the cost involved in the design registration process. So now the time has come to discuss regarding the registration procedure if you are going for the registration of our design. For that, look, our design registration can be done from any of the patent office of Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata or Chennai, Kolkata being the main head office. So now one by one we will explain you that how the design registration is being performed. File an application form to the patent office, numbering and dating of an application. After that, examination of the application will be done. If there is no objection, then your application is accepted. Then a notification is published in the official journal. After that, a certificate is issued for the same. But in case if your objection is raised, then hearing is done in person of objection is contested, waiving or removal of objection, and then your application is accepted. After that, notification is published in the official journal and the acceptance is done of the application. But in case the application is rejected or refused, then an appeal in the High Court is made. In case of allowance of the appeal, notification in the official journal and acceptance. Design infringement. In case of any infringement, the proprietor has the authority to claim the damage of the exploitation of the design which is being registered by the proprietor. So the lawbreaker has to submit a fine of rupees 25,000. So I hope you get all information related to the design registration. If in future you are planning for design registration, then what you just need to do is click on the form which is appeared on your screen, fill all the required detail, and we'll call back you as soon as possible, and your work will be done precisely and comfortably. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.